Sayyidina Ibrahim Taymi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, he mentions a very important waqia about ikhlas. He says, sometimes I would go to the graveyard, I would go to the Qabristan to create the fear of Allah Jalla wa Ala in my heart and to constantly remember death. He said, one day I went to the graveyard and I fell asleep. He said, when I fell asleep, I saw a qabr. There was a person in the qabr and he was being punished. And what was the punishment for the person in the qabr? He said that it was being said that grab this zanjeer, this chain, grab this chain and place it in his body from his mouth. Put it in his body through his mouth and take it out of his back passage. He said, Ya Allah, am I not the one who used to offer salah? Am I not the one who used to perform hajj? Am I not the one who used to give zakat? Am I not the one who was a qari of Al-Quran Al-Kareem, a reciter of Al-Quran Al-Kareem? Started to mention all his good deeds. He said that I heard this unseen voice. Publicly in front of people, you used to do good deeds. You used to offer your salah, your ibadah, your hajj, your qiraat of Quran. But when you were alone, you used to wage war against me. This is a war against Allah. Do you know that? This is to say, oh Allah, I fear dunya. You're not sinning because people are watching you. But when you're alone at home, you're sinning. This is the voice that was heard. When you were with people, then you used to act upon all of these ahkam. But when you were alone, you used to proclaim waging war against me. Elan-e jang against Allah, and you did not fear me.